Hello everyone, so how to install anime app icons. So you can do that, it's a bit complicated but it is possible. So here is the app, it's called CocoPPa, CocoPPa, or I don't know if it's correctly pronounced, but this is the name. Free app, you can get it on App Store, just search. And here you have all these like icons and wallpapers layouts. So you can just search for here, just tap search and search for anime. And then you can select which apps you want to be able to have this anime icon, and there you have it. So then you will have all the icons there in their library, or I can just go to like this menu and then again search for anime. Okay, so there you have it. So here, for example, you have both wallpapers and app icons. So then you find something and download this. You decide either to download also a wallpaper or download only icons. So to completely customize your home screen and apps, I recommend to download also wallpaper. Just tap. Also you can get only apps. So there you have it. So then you have these icons. So for example, you want to set up Facebook, so just tap set. Then depending on model on your iPhone, it can be transparent background. On older iPhones you will need to select specific background. So for example, I'll select white. And then here you need to select available app on your iPhone to which this icon will link to. So just select Facebook. So and then just tap OK. So this is how it works. So you won't delete your original app. And then just tap set and then just tap OK. So what it does, it creates a custom shortcut icons for your apps. And do not delete your app's original icons. So yeah, it's a bit complicated and you won't be able to delete original app icons, but you can have all these new icons on a separate screen and it will look just fine. Okay, so this one didn't work. So let's try. Sometimes it depends on the app. Yeah, so with Twitter it should work. So then you are redirected to this screen. And then you tap on this button in Safari. So you need to do that in Safari browser. And then finally you add to home screen. There you have it, Twitter, and then just tap add. So there you have it, Twitter. And then if I open Twitter, open this page in Twitter, and I'm redirected to Twitter app. So that's how it works. So yeah, as you can see here, I also used another app and then I used like old icon for Snapchat, and that's the same, and then I'm redirected to Snapchat. So I have Twitter app and Snapchat installed, but I have different icons for them. The one difference is that when I click it, I will have this small pop-up. It's a bit annoying, but that's the price you need to pay if you want to have these custom app icons. So yeah, that's the workaround I have found. So hope it helps for you guys, and thanks for watching.